muffins in our caravan. I'm going to be using the lemon Madeira loaf, but you can also use these as muffins. You're also going to need some margarine, some eggs, no, doesn't matter what eggs. You're going to need some milk, 2 spoons or 1, depending on how much you need, a 1/3 cup, a spatula for scraping down the bowl so you get all of it, and patty pans. We do have the patty pans in our tray. Then the utensils, you're going to need a egg beater and a whisk. You're going to need a mixing bowl. We use these jugs. And there's our patty pan. And when we use our electric beater, we use inverter because they're off-grid.
Oh, okay.
You're also going to need some scissors to cut open your powder. Next you're going to read your box, and it says to put 3 eggs in. So now it says to put in 1/3 cup of milk. So we use Coles full cream milk. I got a squishy thing. I like to do it over the bowl so I don't spill it everywhere. So next you're going to get your butter and do 3 tablespoons. You can use measuring scoops, but we just use spoon. And then we're going to put our margarine into the bowl. So you're going to have to put 3 tablespoons of these in. A little bit more. So it tells you to beat it for 2 minutes. I have my 2-minute timer, and I've already put these in. So now I'm going to start my timer. So my 2 minutes is up and it looks very well mixed. So now we're going to release these. So now I'm turning off the inverter. And now we're done with our egg beater. Okay, so you can put the patty pans in now, but we've already done it. So I washed the spoons and we're going to scoop it into it. If you have 2 spoons, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, so I use the spatula to stack down the bowl so you don't miss anything. Now you're going to have to light the oven. And I put it on about 5. So next you're going to put these. So the packaging says it's for 40 to 45 minutes, but that's for bread loaf. But we're going to be doing muffins, so it's about 10 to 15 minutes, so you want to check on it regularly. So the things that you're going to be needing at the end and to check it are some silicone pads to make sure you don't burn your bench, a skewer to make sure they're cooked and they're not sticky, oven mitts to pull it out so you don't burn your fingers because it'll be hot, and a cooling rack for the end. I'm going to check it. You want to make sure you check all of them, just to make sure. Clear. So they all seem to be nice. So good. Let's take them out. Onto the cook. Now you're gonna wait them to cool off a little bit, and I might use a spoon to take them out. This one. Let's take it over to the cooling rack. So you can ice them, but we're not going to be icing them. These are a great party favour, desserts and also a snack, and really simple to make. So I hope you try and make these. Thanks for watching. Bye.